Hi everyone, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss current affair related questions of sports. Let us start. Mirabai Chanu, who won silver medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020, she is associated with which sports? I'll give you the options, and the options are shooting, weightlifter, archery, and badminton. I'll give you 2 seconds to answer, and the answer is weightlifter. She is from Manipur. She participated in the weight category of 49 kgs and she won silver medal. She is the recipient of Padma Shri Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2018. Move to next question. Priya Malik, who won gold medal at World Cadet Wrestling Championship in Budapest, Hungary, in which category she won? And the options are, just remember, this is not Olympics, this is World Cadet Wrestling Championship. And the options are 49 kg, 55 kg, 65 kg and 73 kg. And the answer is 73 kg and she is from Haryana. Next question. Who will be the flag bearers at the opening ceremony of Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are MC Mary Kom, Manpreet Singh, Bajrang Punia, D. A and B, that is Mary Kom and Manpreet Singh. E, that is Mary Kom and Bajrang Punia. And the answer is Mary Kom and Manpreet Singh. Mary Kom, she is related to boxing, and Manpreet Singh, he is the hockey player. Mary Kom, she is from Manipur, and Manpreet Singh, he is from Punjab. Next. Which country to host World Badmintonship Champion in 2026? And the options are China, Japan, India and Indonesia. And the answer is India. Sudirman Cup is related to Badminton Championship. Remember this also. There is a possibility of asking Sudirmanship Cup is related to which sports? Next. Badminton World Federation headquarters is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Next. Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me is the autobiography of which Indian cricket player? And the options are Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina, Ravichandran Ashwin and MS Dhoni. And the answer is Suresh Raina. Next. Which will be the host city for Olympics 2024? Recently held was 2020 and the upcoming is 2024. And the options are Paris, Tokyo, Brisbane, Los Angeles. And the answer is Paris from in France. Next. Which country has won highest gold medals in Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are China, USA, Japan and Great Britain. And the answer is USA, which won 39 gold, 41 silver, 33 bronze and total medals are 113. China, they won 38 gold, 32 silver, 18 bronze and total medals is 88. And the third in the list is Japan. They won 27 gold, 14 silver and 17 bronze and total medals they won is 58. Next. What was India's position in Tokyo Olympics 2020 medals list? And the options are 18, 28, 37, 48. And the answer is 48th position in medals list. India won 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze. And the total is 7 medals we won in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Next. Aditi Ashok is associated with which sports or game? And the options are shooter, golfer, javelin throw, hockey? And the answer is she's a golfer and she is from Karnataka, Bengaluru. Next. Indian hockey team has won which of the following medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are gold, silver, bronze, none of the above. And the answer is Indian hockey team has won bronze. Okay, the final match was between India versus Germany, and India won with 5-4. Next, Indian badminton player PV Sindhu has won which of the following medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are gold, silver, bronze, none of the above. And the answer is bronze. She is the first woman to win 2 Olympic medals. Last time she won silver, this time she won bronze. Next. Indian wrestler Bajrang Punia has won which medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are gold, silver, bronze, none of the above. And the answer is bronze, and he is from Haryana. He participated in the weight category of 65 kg. Next. Indian javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra has won which of the following medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are gold, silver, bronze, none of the above. And the answer is gold, and he hails from Haryana. Currently, he is working as a Subedar in Indian Army. So the working position is also important sometimes. Next. Indian wrestler Ravikumar Dahiya has won which of the following medal in Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are gold, silver, bronze, none of the above. And the answer is silver, and he hails from Haryana. He participated in the weight category of 57 kg. Next. Who is the captain of men's hockey team for Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are Mandeep Singh, Harmanpreet Singh, Birendra Lakra, and the D option is Manpreet Singh. And the answer is Manpreet Singh. Next. Who is the captain of women's hockey team for Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are Vandana, Kataria, Rani Rampal, Navneet Kaur, Reena Kohkar. And the answer is Rani Rampal. She is from Haryana. Next. When is International Olympics Day is celebrated every year? And the options are 16th April, 23rd June, 18th July, 25th June. And the answer is 23rd June. International Olympics Day is celebrated every year. Next. Deepika Kumari is associated with which sports or game? And the options are archery, shooting, hockey, javelin throw. And the answer is archery, and she hails from Ranchi. Next. Who is the flag bearer at the closing ceremony of Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are Mandeep Singh, Neeraj Chopra, Bajrang Punia, Rani Rampal. And the answer is Bajrang Punia. Next. Indian hockey team has won medal in Tokyo Olympics after how many years? And the options are 10 years, 20 years, 32 years, 41 years. And the answer is 41 years. After 41 years, India has won medal in Tokyo Olympics. Next. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award has been renamed recently after which Indian player? And the options are Kapil Dev, Milkha Singh, Major Dhyanchand, PT Usha. And the answer is Major Dhyanchand. Next. Who has been appointed as the first Vice Chancellor of Delhi Sports University? And the options are Karna Malleshwari, PT Usha, Kapil Dev, Rahul Dravid. And the answer is Karna Malleshwari. She is associated with weightlifting. Next. Who is the lyricist of the official theme song of the Indian team of Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are Javed Akhtar, Pratna Gehlot, Manoj Muntasir, Arman Malik. And the answer is Pratna Gehlot. And the composer of the song is Mohit Chauhan. Next. Which city will host Commonwealth Games in 2022? And the options are Birmingham, Paris, New Delhi, Tokyo. And the answer is Birmingham, England. Next. And the motto of Commonwealth Game 2022 is Games for Everyone. Next. And the last question. Which of the following is not newly introduced in Tokyo Olympics 2020 or not debuted in Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are karate, skateboarding, sport, climbing, surfing, none of the above. And the answer is none of the above because karate, skateboarding, sport climbing, surfing are introduced in Tokyo Olympics 2020. I think we are done with this. So thank you everyone. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. All the best.